Hi everyone, welcome. This is 137th Canton Fair. We are Sresky, a manufacturer specializing in solar intelligent lighting with over 20 years experience in the industry. This time we have brought a lot of great stuff for you. Here we have solar wall light, solar garden light, new arrival in 2025, and solar yard light. Intelligent induction, environmental protection, energy saving, absolutely meet your lighting demand. Want to know more about our solar intelligent lighting? Remember our booth number 16.480102, 16.4B2122 from 15th to 19th April. We are in Guangzhou. We welcome your visit.